get yourself 2 nice artichokes to make this appetizer. You're going to cut the stem off. You can peel and steam it if you like, or not, discard it. And we're going to take them, cut some of the leaves off so you don't pinch your fingers. And we take a very sharp knife, cut the top of the artichoke off like so. And we're going to continue to clip those outer leaves flat. Then I pull and tug, separate those leaves. I take the thistle out, the middle portion that is inedible, the only part that's inedible on the artichoke. Then I rinse it out, get the debris out, shake it out, get all whatever other stuff is in there. I take pecorino romano, a bunch of garlic, breadcrumb, olive oil, salt and pepper, and I stuff every part of the artichoke, a lot in the middle, and then on every individual leaf. We do it over a plate so we don't waste any ingredients. Look how nice it is. So now that I did that, I'm going to see if I could add any more in there to make this more delicious. Now look how beautiful those are. They're ready to be cooked. Just keep in mind, the bigger the artichoke, the longer you'll have to cook them, the more tough they'll be. Something you may want to consider. Also, if you like these recipes that I grew up with and you want more, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you will be notified anytime I make a new video or I go live, and I could share these great recipes with you and your family. And let's continue. So in a small saucepan, we go up not almost halfway with the water, cover the pan on medium to high heat, and steam them till they're soft. You can pull the leaves off and scrape the flesh of the leaf with all the beautiful breadcrumb flavors. Delicious. Some people put a lemon slice on top. You could add some more cheese on there. I think it's perfect just the way it is though. Look at that. Jeez. Anybody that eats this, if you make it the way I made this, they are going to love it. Enjoy. And don't forget to eat the bottom and the artichoke heart, my favorite part of the artichoke. It is delicious and has a lot of nutrients if you're looking for a healthy alternative to a nice appetizer.